recipe that we're gonna make are sweet potato nachos with black beans and smoked cheddar. The first thing we wanna do is chop up a sweet potato into matchsticks like French fries. So now I have my sweet potatoes cut up. I love using sweet potatoes for nachos instead of chips because they are way healthier. We're just gonna drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil and my favorite, salt and pepper. We are gonna roast these at 425 for about 25 minutes. Okay, so my sweet potatoes are pre-roasted, and now we're going to layer them with the black beans and the smoked cheddar. So this one here that you can also use is a smoked Gouda, and this is a smoked sheep's milk cheese, and this is the smoked cheddar that I am actually using in the recipe. All are awesome options, and all are pretty reasonably priced too. Okay, so those were under the broiler for just about 3 minutes, and you can go ahead and serve them just like that, but I like to dress them up. And there you go. Those sweet potato nachos are going to serve about 10 people and cost me a little under $12. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you learned a little something and are inspired to throw your next party with these healthy and budget-friendly appetizers. You can find more about me at HolaJalapeno.com or on social media at HolaJalapeno. And